and welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing today? If you're new to my channel, my name is Sandra and I love for you guys to subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell so you guys get notified every time I post a new video. So today's video will be based on a Pride makeup look, and if you guys want to know how I started off, then keep on watching. Okay, love. So to start off my video, I'm gonna put some tape on the eyes so I could get a nice sharp. I don't know what you want to call it, but I'll put some tape on. I think I should have waited because I got makeup on my face. Oh well. So obviously you can see I got my brows and my base down. Don't be staring at my brows for too long. It took me forever to get them like this. Just saying. But I want to start off by, I don't know, I have a couple palettes out. So I have this one that came in a Boxycharm Pure. And this is what the inside looks like. I really think I want to use this blue right here, but I'm not sure yet. I'm still thinking about it. But then I'm also using the Lower Lip Party Animal palette, and this is what that one looks like. And I'm really digging these colors right here. So obviously it's more for a Pride look. Then my tape's coming off. I don't know what I'm even saying anymore. Sorry, I'm taking the clear plastic thing off. I'm also going to be using the Morphe 35M palette, and I think I already did a look on this palette, or like the letting random numbers choose my eyeshadow look challenge. So I'm debating on what I want to use or start off with, because I don't have an actual red. Then again, I don't really like red, so I kind of wanted to do pink instead. But we're gonna wing it and see what I get. Alright, loves, so I did an eyeshadow look off camera, but I'm not really feeling it. Kind of reminds me of this. But I'm gonna try doing it in the other. Maybe I'll all come together when I put lashes, mascara, and all that good stuff on. So it's supposed to be like the rainbow, so I did I did do the red, but I have pink in the outside, red, the orange, the yellow, the green in the corner, the blue, and the purple. But I'm seriously not really feeling it, so I don't know. Maybe, like I said, probably I'll come back together. So going in with these two right here in the outer. So that's the red and the pink, obviously. Going in in the outer corner to the crease. My Morphe E18 and went into the LA color, not the LA color, the LA, Lower Lip Los Angeles in this shit right here. I don't know what I'm saying anymore. Pick that up and just add to the eye. Then picking up no eyeshadow blending brush, and I'm just gonna blend that up real quick. just like so. And then this part right here, I went in with the yellow from Laura Lee. It's the Party, and just like that right here. Just like so. And going back in with my orange. Blending it out. So I feel like it looked the same, like so. I just kept going in with the two different brushes, the orange and the yellow, to make it look like this. Peel this off, got the clean cut. That extra excess, I just get a stippling brush and just brush it off both sides. So what I did in the bottom lower lash line that kind of throws me off, that I wish I didn't really do, I popped a green. I popped this green in the inner corner. So I'm gonna do that. Pop that in the inner corner of my eye. Then on the other side of the brush, I went in with Damage Control from the Laura Lee palette, this one right here. Pop that in the bottom from the inner corner of my and going in with another different brush. I went in with I think it's, yep, this purple and this purple right here, these two, to do the outer lower lash line. And there's the eyes, looking like a parakeet. I don't know, I'm trying something different. Then after that, I did go in with my eyebrow bone. So bone highlight, I went with Ofra Rodeo Drive. Pop that in the brow bone real quick. Like so. So I'll be back. I'm gonna come back with lashes and all that. So I'll see you guys in a little bit. All right, loves, and this is the finished look. I came back with my lashes and mascara on. Tell me what you guys think in the comments down below. And if you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did, please give me a big thumbs up. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye, amores.